Hey guys, RTT back here from the video, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to increase your chances of getting a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. Now, this is not a guarantee that you will get one of these. Keep that in mind, guys. What this is that this is a Discord bot. This is not a bot that automatically buys the units for you. This is a bot that just notifies you when they are available. I've said many times on the channel, I hate bots that buy them for you because people will buy up 2,500 units. Now, this just notifies you whenever one is available so that once it's available, you get a notification on your phone, you click on a link right away, and you buy the unit and you get your PS5, guys. This is how I got a 3090. This is how I got many things in the past. I've loved this bot. This bot is absolutely amazing. There will be a link down below in the description onto this bot. Now, all you have to do is go ahead on your iPhone or Android phone. Go ahead and go to the App Store or Google Play Store, which one you have, and type in Discord. That's all you have to do is type in Discord. It's going to be the first one that pops up, Discord, Talk, Chat, and Hangout. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to download Discord. You're going to go ahead and go into the app. You're going to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to follow the link down below in the description. It's going to invite you to this bot. This bot is called ATR Stonks. You're going to go ahead and get in on this bot once you do that. Now, once you went ahead and join the bot, right? Next thing what you want to do, guys, is you want to go ahead and go to what's it called? I think it's, on the left-hand side here. So it's going to look a little bit different for you, but pretty much the whole idea, guys, is you want to go ahead and choose whatever you want to be tracking. So you can see it has tracking Ryzen processors, the consoles, the big Navis, the RTXs, the, what's it called? It literally tracks everything, in all honesty. But let me see. I think this one actually does have, this one has a little thing about notification section. So go to notification section, this little left-hand side. If you're on the app, same concept. And all you're going to want to do, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down for you guys here, is that you're going to see that it does have all the different types of things. So again, it has, please click the reaction below to assign the correct role. And obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go ahead and select whatever one you want to follow. So for example, if you want to follow the PS5, we're going to go ahead and click on the PS5 here. And I think this is just reaction, actually. I don't think this is a little bit different than the other bot I use, just because, again, I think this is, it should have actually, okay, so I think they changed this up a tad bit than it used to. So instead of doing that, let's go ahead and just go over to the bottom here and where we just were with the consoles. We're going to click on the console. We're going to right click on this console. And we're going to notification settings. We're going to set this to all messages. The reason why we do this, guys, is because now, once you go ahead and do that, and on your phone, on your iPhone or your Android, go to notifications and set all notifications to Discord. The reason why we're going to do this, guys, is every time that they post in this PS5 or Xbox tab, you're going to see the post. So, for example, you're going to get a link to the post. You get a little notification about the post. Click on it. You have to go to the post. Bam, bam, bam. So, for example, you can see right here, yesterday at, what is this? Yesterday at 7:21 p.m., there was 3 new PS5s posted on Newegg. Now, again, sometimes the price will be overpriced. Sometimes the price will be legitimately the same exact price it's supposed to go for. Again, keep that in mind. It's not always guaranteed it's going to be the exact price. 90% of the time, it's the exact price, but sometimes it will be overpriced. Just keep that in mind. Like, for example, $580 overpriced, but again, like I said, sometimes it's going to be a little bit overpriced. Same concept applies with the Xbox Series X. You can X and S. You can see right here, Best Buy posted it. They got restock yesterday at 4:02 p.m. So instead of being on bestbuy.com and constantly refreshing it, if you have your phone with you, you will get a notification whenever they go ahead and restock these items. The same concept applies to 3070s, 3080s, 3090s, Xbox Series X's, Series S's, and PS5s. Guys, hopefully this helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Also, share this video with a friend who is looking for these consoles, guys, because I hate bots. I hate actual bots that buy up 2,500 units. And the sad part is the only way we're going to be able to, as normal people who don't have bots buying up 2,500 units, is using Discord to go ahead and get these consoles. I know a lot of people who've used this to get the consoles, guys. It's not impossible. It's going to be very tough because you got to be fast when it comes to these bots. Once they post the link to it being live, click on it, buy it, bam, you're done. A lot of recommendations would be, if you already have, let's say, for example, on your phone, have Newegg already downloaded, have Best Buy downloaded the application, have Target, Walmart, all this kind of stuff, and be signed into your accounts on these apps, just so that once they post it, click on it, it takes you to the app. You already are logged in, you're ready to go, you're ready to buy stuff, you already have your credit card information in there, you're ready to go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next one. Peace out.